My name is Lian Zhao. I'm right now a professor at Ryerson University, Department of Electrical and Computer Engineering. I came to Canada in 1999, starting my study at University of Waterloo for my PhD study. In that years, I started to learn doing research. I liked this career, and then after graduation, I became an assistant professor at Ryerson University. And through the years, I enjoyed doing research, interacting with students. Normally, people thinking in engineering field, the female ratio is quite low, lower than male ratio. But recently, we do see some changes. For example, in our department website, the first page, there is a question: female cannot do engineering? No, the answer is no. And see, for example, our newly established BME, biomedical engineering stream, they already achieved over 50% of the female ratio. So female still can do good job as an engineer. My research area is in wireless communication. So improve technologies of using cell phone communication. Now, starting from 1990, people start to use wireless cellular phone. The first generation, it's mainly only for voice application. So we can see, remember, a big phone. And then later on, we have 2G and we have 3G. 3G is essentially start audio and video and web browsing, but with slower speed. And now we use our phone, Apple phone, we use 4G, we can do lots of applications with our cell phones. And now we are still evolving towards 5G, so we have even faster data rate. Green, this word nowadays used in lots of area. It mainly comes from the concern of our environment. So we don't want to see global warming, greenhouse gas emission. So we want to save our environment. In terms of communication side, we are more also pay much attention to the energy consumption to achieve green communication. Before communication, people just doing communication. So right now it has a trend to have interdisciplinary research. For example, communication and computing, they can merge as new research directions. And then we can also involve other engineering field, have interdisciplinary research. So eventually we can towards more intelligent and more smart society. For example, autonomous driving, everything connected, everything, those are very good examples of our future IT and application connection. Communication, but also to other areas as well. Many come from our concern to the environment. Sustainability of our environment. We don't want to see greenhouse gas emission. We don't want to see global warming too severe to impact our next generation. So for example, in communication, before the research is more very heavily emphasize how to transmit faster, how to accommodate more users in the system. Nowadays, more and more research and development focus and attention has been shifted to how to improve energy efficiency, how to save energy to transmit certain information. Electrical engineering, we are doing our engineering design and we're doing our engineering development in-house. But for any good design, we want to people use it. We want to people commercialize it. So this stage, I think it's really need designers to help to make this idea, to make the good design, to make people realize the value of the engineering program.